cookies. What you got?
Daddy, look, Sandy.
Yeah. What about his drinks?
Did he drink the milk and the Pepsi? All right, hold on a second.
Hold on.
Then did he drink the drinks?
Yeah.
All right, take him off your presents.
What am I two happy pots?
All right, take the drinks off your presents.
What's that, love?
Santa drank it. You dropped the cup. All right, go put them away in the garbage.
Oh, my cookie.
What is that?